Guys, I know this is very blurred because for whatever reason my flashlight won't turn on. But I started taking apart this engine today. I got as far as the top of the engine, halfway off. I gotta find out what is holding the front of the cylinder head on. But I got most of the parts. And next week I'll finish and then I'll build this in the shop this winter. Guys, I started splitting this motor apart yesterday. Got almost the top of the front of the engine off. I gotta figure out how in the world this looks like. It must just be glued on tight. Might try whacking it with a hammer because it looks like somebody pulled the bulbs out and then put them back in. Doesn't it? Yeah. So anyway, the top of the motor, you can see down in there kind of. Top of the motor is split and I gotta figure out pull this cylinder head off of here and then pull the piston out and pull the crank out and we can start the rebuild. Clean it up and rebuild. I won't be rebuilding engines on this table for a while. Because I kind of need it in one spot, but soon I will rebuild engines on this table because this table is what I built it for. Building engines and turn apart engines. A lot more of this is going to be coming to the channel. I'm going to do a video in a few weeks talking about what the future is for this channel.